Hi guys, very warm welcome and a very warm welcome to this Salesforce Marketing Cloud training hosted by me and SFTechsoft. My name is Harshit and I am 4X certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer. I will be walking you through what all things we will be seeing today into our demo, what all things you can expect into our detailed Marketing Cloud expert training, which will go along 1.5 months from the day we start. So everything we will be seeing, what are the career scopes here, what all kind of career you can expect with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, what can be your opportunity, pay package, career growth, everything. What are the syllabus? What is the syllabus we will be going to see? What are the projects we will be going to build? So everything we will be discussing into this demo, and feel free to ask whatever questions you have. So guys, let's start with the basic understanding of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. We will not deep dive into conceptual knowledge of the syllabus of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Rather, we will have a high level understanding of why there is a need of such platform into the market. And we will see the detailed syllabus outlined for this platform into our regular classes, which is starting from coming Monday. So thanks again, guys, for joining this session. And please feel free to ask me or interrupt me anytime whenever you have a question in your mind. So, guys, as this platform is called as Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You already know there is a keyword marketing into the name of this platform. So you can relate this platform to something which is parallel to marketing, or you can relate that the type of activities you will be doing on Salesforce Marketing Cloud is somewhat related to marketing. So guys, what type of marketing we can do with Salesforce Marketing Cloud today we will come to know in detail. So guys, before coming into what type of marketing we can do on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we will understand in general what is marketing. I know you are pretty much aware of this term marketing. Every day you must be listening this term by some or other means. But um, let me try to revise your concept once more. So guys, what is marketing? It is an act to promote the product or services. Whenever you want to sell your products and services to a large audience, you want to get more and more number of customers, you have to reach them and educate them about your products and services. If you want to sell your product in China, you should be educating Chinese people with some marketing content, so that they come to know that you have launched a product or service which they could buy. So it is an act of promoting your products and services to a large people of audience. In return, you can expect some revenue from them. So guys, there are different ways marketing is follow up is marketing practices are followed. If you look 20 years back when we were kids, or we were not that much, I should say, matured, the technology was not matured. Before 20 years, people were doing marketing. Now, also after 20 years, people are doing marketing. But what has changed is the really method of doing marketing. Like 20 years back, people were able to sell their products and services to people, to a large population, to a large number of audience. Now also people are doing marketing, and they are able to sell their products and services to large audience. But what was the difference, guys? The difference was the way the marketing was done. Before 20 years, it was a concept, or I should say it was a traditional type of marketing, where brands themselves took liberty to promote their products and services to people. What they could do to promote their products and services, they could distribute pamphlets to people, going door to door, or distributing pamphlets on crowded places, key important places in their city. If they had more budget, what they could have done, they could have displayed posters, they could have printed big posters and displayed everywhere into the city. If they could had more budget, then they could have publicized their products and services into the local newsletter. If they had more budget, they could have gone to radio and publicized their products and services. Even if even they had more budget, they could have gone to television and publicized their products and services. So guys, these were the methods which were followed for traditional marketing. If you notice, brand only take liberty to go and publicize their products and services. Brand only is posting. Whenever he stops promoting, nothing will happen. People will try to forget. No more people will be reached, and this type of marketing is limited to a certain area. Only television or radio marketing was a global marketing. It costed a lot of money, though very big brands could afford them, but this was not a cup of tea of small brands. The brands which are into your locality, the brands which are local to your city, they could not attract global people. Whatever people, whichever people they went and they distributed the pamphlet, those people only had an understanding about the products and services they are selling. So guys, this was a one-way type of marketing where brands only took liberty to promote products and services. There was no mechanism to get the feedback from the customers. One branch of marketing or one concept of marketing also says that you should be getting a continuous feedback on the products and services. Your product and services should be enhanced based on the feedback. Those drawbacks should be removed. Product and services should be customized as per person's need, person's desire. So guys, that time there was no mechanism where people can also come and interact with that brand, provide their feedbacks, like, dislike the product, criticize the product, share nice comments about the product, give reviews on the product. So all these mechanisms were not present where brands were able to take the input on their products and services to predict the desire customer needs about their products and services. This is very critical for marketing, because if you don't go into the market and get the feedback from people and use that feedback to customize, to enhance your products and services, then you will be left far behind into the competitions who are respecting customers needs, desires, and customizing the products and services will be winning the marketing battle. So guys, it is very important to have a two-way type of marketing effort or two-way type of conversation while you are doing marketing, so that not only you go and promote your products and services, people can also come, interact, post their reviews, thoughts, like, dislike, and everything. But into traditional marketing, this was not performed or practiced, or even it was practiced, it was not practiced up to great extent. So with traditional marketing, there had to be a lot of efforts by brand to promote their products and services. More and more pamphlets they will distribute, it will cost more and more money to them, and only limited people will have access to them. There was not an organic capability where people can themselves come and inquire about the products and services. If somebody had to inquire, then he had to be their local city or town person. People sitting in Delhi cannot predict what a shop is selling into Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad. So that time, that was not actually, I should say, a two-way type of interaction with the traditional marketing. So it greatly lagged the capabilities of collecting customer reviews, so that they can customize their products and services based on those reviews. But guys, that time passed. We have seen a lot of technical growth. We have seen era of world wide web now. Everybody is digital. we have seen a lot of smartphones getting flooded into the market. People are becoming smart using smart devices. Whether you are living into a city or town or village, you definitely would be having a smartphone. If people who can't afford smartphone today will definitely be able to afford in next 2 3 years, because continuously companies are making lots of effort to bring down the cost of smartphone. It has become our day-to-day necessity. So guys, with the boom in technology, with the boom in world wide web, with the boom in smart devices sales and purchase, you can say that this has there is a digital era now which has come. So every shop which were doing traditional marketing are now digital, are now present in a form of digital shops and are doing digital marketing now. So the ways of marketing totally changed. The shop which was present into your locality is now present at least on Facebook or Instagram marketplace, if they do not have huge budget. If they have huge budget or somewhat more budget, then getting them placed on Facebook or Insta marketplace for free, they could have went and developed their e-commerce website. If they have more budget now, they can develop their mobile application. So based on budget, brands are present online. The same brands which are present in your locality are now becoming digital shops online. So guys, with the boom in world wide web, every brand in your locality is now or will now move to digital platforms to promote, sell their products and services. So guys, this has opened a concept of new era marketing, which is called as digital marketing. So guys, digital marketing are the ways to promote your products and services digitally to people. So guys, with the evolution of technology, as brands are getting digital, they are present digitally. The biggest challenge was to drive traffic to their touch points. So every brand will have a digital touch point. For example, a touch point can be mobile application. A touch point can be a website. A touch point can be a social media page. All these are the touch points. So every brand which were physically present are now having some or other touch points digitally on World Wide Web, on internet. So it is the biggest challenge to drive traffic to their touch points. So there come the concept of digital marketing. By doing some tactics, you can drive the traffic to their touch points. Suppose take an example of Amazon. Amazon has touch point in the form of website, in the form of mobile application. So Amazon will require a lot of traffic visiting to their application on daily basis, so that they can run their operations, they can run their businesses. It is very critical for business nowadays to do digital marketing to increase footfall of customers on their brand. So you have certain tactics, measures, important points, formulas which you implement to increase the footfall of people on your touch points. People are digital, they every time use smartphones. It is very easy to log in into an app rather than going to a physical shop. So guys, digital marketing will help, is helping people now to increase the footfall of customers on their touch points. So guys, with the evolution of technology, people were able to increase the footfall of customers. But what noticed was as many customers are coming to your touch point are leaving in few seconds, the greatest challenge is you are spending a lot of money acquiring more customers to visit your website, your product and services page, but they are not buying that product or services from you. They are just landing to your website, seeing the content and getting abundant and abandoning that website right in 1 or 2 minutes. So what are the steps you follow in digital marketing to increase the touch point, the footfall on the touch point, guys? You run digital ads, you do SEO, search engine optimization, and everything. All these things will make your products and services rank higher. Digital ads will promote your products and services to people who are using social media platforms, Google platform. So whenever they see your ad or whenever they see your website ranked, they will click and land to your page, but that does not guarantee they will be buying that products and services from you. Think of Amazon, millions of customers are coming by different medium on its platform, seeing the products and services and going in and leaving that platform within 2 or 3 seconds. So guys, it is a greatest challenge here that though brands are spending a lot of money on customer acquisition, on increasing the footfall on their brand, this is not getting this is not resulting into revenue generation, because people are coming to your touch point, seeing one or two things and then leaving. The biggest challenge is customer retention, customer sustainability here. With the digital marketing nowadays, you will be able to increase the footfall. You can get millions of customers visiting Amazon, but guys, those millions of customers will leave also Amazon in next 2 days. So if you lose a customer, if a customer leaves, it will not be beneficial for you, because you have spent a lot of money to acquire that customer from the digital platforms by running ads. Ads are not cheaper, guys. Digital ads are not at all cheaper. If you have experience running with digital ads, they cost you lakhs of money. Brands spend millions to acquire new customers by running ads, and if they have acquired a customer by spending millions, they cannot afford to lose that customer within 2 minutes of the footfall generation. They have to work towards sustainability of that customer, retention of the customer. They have to maintain a relationship with the customer. This is a need of hour for them, because if they don't do that, they do not maintain a relationship with their customers, they do not work on customer retention and sustainability, it will they will be losing them as a customer, though they have acquired them spending a lot of money. If they do not take care of their relationships with them, then they will lose a customer, the customer won't return back, and it would cost them a lot of money, they would be into loss. So millions of customers are reaching Amazon nowadays on daily basis, but the biggest challenge is millions of customers are also leaving Amazon within 2 or 5 minutes of time. So guys, it was very important to work towards customer relationship, customer retention, customer sustainability. So Amazon or companies came with a way where they thought to understand the behavior of the customer on their website, on their application, and customize the marketing experience for them, so that they can take one step forward on customer relationship, customer retention. So whenever you go to Amazon, you have seen some ad online. You have seen you are searching about a product. Suppose you are searching about a mobile phone. You saw Amazon's ad selling that mobile phone. You clicked on that ad. You landed to Amazon. You searched that mobile phone on Amazon. You searched some other keywords on Amazon as well, searched some products, put something into the cart, but you didn't purchase anything. You went outside of Amazon. You got a call from your mother, father, brother, sister, girlfriend, boyfriend, and you got involved into that call. Your product was still kept into the Amazon's cart. So guys, what is this? You Amazon has spent a lot of money to acquire you as a customer. They were running ads about the product you wanted, and after you have seen that product, you clicked on that ad, you went to that product page, you liked that product, you kept that product into cart, you have searched some more products, but you didn't buy that product. Amazon is not fool that it is running ads and then losing your customer within 2 minutes. So what these companies or what um, the these companies or the people running this space came to conclusion that you cannot um, sustain a customer, you cannot maintain a continuous relationship, you cannot retain a customer if you do not work towards data driven approach of marketing. You do not work towards data driven approach of marketing. What is data driven approach of marketing, guys? Amazon, people are coming to Amazon generating a lot of data there. If you can able to read that data, what they are getting, what they are generated by people, and if that data, that insight you got after the data analysis, that what is your people trying to search more on Amazon, what is their most uh, I should say followed behavior. If you are able to understand the behavior of a customer on your platform, you can customize the marketing strategies for them, and you can have a relationship established with them. For example, Amazon will see a lot of abundant carts happening every day on its platform. Millions of customers come, millions of customers search for a product, and millions of customers put that product into cart. After that product is put into the cart, 20 or 30% products are getting converted into a sale, the rest remains into a cart. So guys, this was the biggest challenge for Amazon. What Amazon did, Amazon followed the data driven approach of marketing, where it tried to identify customer behavior on its platform. It tried to see that what their customers are searching, what their customers are putting into the cart. It got insight that this is the product which customer put into the cart, this is the keyword that customer searched most into that platform. What they will do, whenever you do abundant cart, they will send you abundant cart email. That email will contain a product which you kept inside the cart, as well as it will send you few recommended products based on your search behavior, as a in a form of email recommendation, product recommendation email. So you must have noticed, if you go and put something into your cart, Amazon after 20 minutes will definitely send you an abundant cart email, which will not only contain your product with customized payment link, but it will also contain more recommended products based on your search history. So this is one step taken by Amazon, which is the data driven approach of marketing, where Amazon tried to identify what their customers searched most, what is the product they have kept into the cart. Let's bring everything into email. Let's try to send an email to customer, a customized email only for designed only for him. Millions of customers will be receiving email, but the products will not be generic products. The products in that email will be specific to those customers because they have searched that product in past on their platform, on Amazon's platform. So with this effort, they were trying to see, analyze the data about the customer, and took one step forward in data driven marketing approach. They pulled all the keywords, they searched for the recommended products, and they sent a recommendation email. Maybe customer can look that recommendation email, maybe his mind change, maybe he will again go back to Amazon and will buy that product, because you have to continuously maintain relationship with your customers, then only you will be able to sell a product online. If you do not maintain a relationship, people will also forget you in some time. So this is an effort by Amazon, which is a data driven marketing approach, where Amazon is trying to find opportunities by reading your data and customizing that data into a marketing strategy. Like we have seen, whenever you do abundant cart, you can get abundant cart email. You can get product recommendation emails as well. So guys, this was a data driven marketing concept where brands optimize their communications based on customer data. Amazon is capable to read customer data, what they are searching and all, due to which they have optimized their communication. They have to continuously send emails because they have to maintain a relationship with you. If they do not send emails, if they do not send SMS to you, if they do not want makes effort to establish relationship with you, you will forget them one day. So it is very much important for a brand to establish a continuous relationship with their customers. So guys, as you notice, millions of customers will come, millions of customers will put the data into the cart, and millions of customers will abandon that cart as well, will not purchase anything, just put that product into cart and go away. So guys, there has to be a mechanism where automatically whosoever shows this behavior should receive a abundant cart email, should receive product recommendation email. So there has to be an automation setup on data driven approach of marketing, so that whenever there is an event, you are able to reach the customers right away. So marketing automation will help you to predict, to automate the communications sent to the customers based on the predictions made by data driven approach of marketing. Data driven approach of marketing will help you get the insight that which communication to be sent to customers at what time, and marketing automation decides how it can be sent automatically. So basically, data driven marketing is combined with marketing automation, because marketing automation will help you to reach the customer at the right time, at right place. Amazon people are searching products now on Amazon. If you send a communication of product recommendation 2 days after, it won't be beneficial for them. They could have bought that product from other website. So with the help of marketing automation, you can define when you want to reach to your customers. You can reach your customers whatever time they want, whenever they are into need. So guys, marketing automation works on data driven approach of marketing. Basically, data driven marketing will help you get insights, will help you design customized communications, and marketing automation will help you to automatically execute those type of communications. So guys, um, what is Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform. That means you will be able to perform data driven marketing, and you can automate the processes using marketing automation concept from Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It helps you deliver personalized customer engagement on every channel, from email to web, mobile, social, digital advertising. You can reach your customers automatically from every channel using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. It enables you to personalize customer interactions. Everything will be personalized. If I am receiving product recommendation email, I will receive recommendation on my search history. The same time, if you are receiving a product recommendation email, you are receiving product recommendation based on your search history and behavior. So Marketing Cloud helps you to customize their products and customize the communication, personalize the communication on their products and services, and sent automatically. How to access Marketing Cloud, guys? mc.exact target is the URL which will help you to access the Marketing Cloud. mc.exacttarget.com. After you open mc.exacttarget.com, you have this platform where you will find everything: email, mobile, social analytics, journey builder, content, audience, Einstein app exchange platform. All these things, guys, are the components which will help you to perform data-driven marketing automation. We have email, not to send just emails, but data-driven emails, dynamic email, personalized email. The single invoice is sent to everybody who make purchase on Amazon the same time, but that invoice data is personalized, is dynamic based on customers behavior. There is no other invoices created on Amazon. Only single invoice is created whenever it is sent to somebody who has purchased the product. It will reflect their own customized data there. The same time millions of invoices are sent, millions of invoices will be customized based on customers interaction, customer behavior. It is not a generic invoice sent to everybody. So guys, with the help of email, you will be able to create dynamic contents. Like we have seen example of invoice, there will be other examples we will be seeing. Mobile Studio, we have mobile connect and mobile push. You can send SMS, MMS, you can send push notifications. We will see how to do. Both are data driven push notifications and SMS, MMS. Dynamic SMS, MMS will be sent personalized to everybody. We have analytics builder, journey builder, automation studio, content builder, contact builder. We will see everything step by step. These are the components of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, where we will have a detailed understanding on all these concepts, and we will see use cases how this platform can be used to automate our marketing processes. So guys, it is a very intelligent platform. It contains artificial intelligence capabilities like Einstein. And this platform is the best platform in the market for marketing automation. You will have definitely a great career on this platform. You can expect a nice salary, a nice career learning this platform, because this platform is owned by Salesforce. You will get access to Salesforce ecosystem, and moreover, this platform helps you to become a martech consultant, marketing technology consultant. This is not a simple digital marketing kind of thing, guys. Digital marketing is having a limited concept, but when you have to work on customer retention, customer sustainability, customer relationship, CRM aspect, customer relationship management, then you will require Salesforce Marketing Cloud to build and enhance your CRM capabilities. So guys, with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we will be able to do data-driven marketing automation. More things we will see into our regular classes. I would like to check if you have any question on our demo today. Let me know, guys.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Sagar.
Sir, is it related to any digital marketing?
As I told, digital marketing is a different concept. This is not digital marketing data. This is marketing automation.
Okay.
It works on the principle of data-driven marketing. Digital marketing is a non-IT thing. This will require IT knowledge. This is marketing technology. This is not at all digital marketing, a totally different concept, marketing automation.
They have to also send emails and SMS, SEO, search engine optimization. That type of marketing they are also doing actually. That's why I just okay.
Sending email, SMS is not a big thing.
Okay.
When you have to send a single invoice to millions of customers the same time, suppose it is 7:40 a.m. Okay, 7:40 a.m. is now. Suppose 200 million people are making purchase on your platform. Everybody will receive invoice. Everybody will have different products.
Okay.
How you will build and send that invoice to them? There
Okay.
has to be a technology behind that.
Okay.
Everybody will be receiving customized SMS. Sending SMS and email is not the major goal, guys. Data driven marketing is the major goal of this platform. Do not underestimate, this is the high performing platform. It is CRM space. This is not at all digital marketing. Digital marketing has very small concept, just running ad, doing SEO. sending email, SMS, but they are generic. I'm talking about dynamic. You went to Amazon, you put something into cart, right? How digital marketing will help you to send the product recommendation email, abundant cart email? They cannot help. You cannot predict what your customers are acting on your brand. You have to define procedures, automations, which can predict what your customers are searching. Based on that, you have to customize your messaging capabilities.
Okay.
That customization is personalized, dynamic in nature. That is what we will be seeing here into this platform.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, actually, I am from the non-IT background.
Yes.
So, if I pursue this SFMC course, so will it be like, will it necessary for any coding background, or
It is not
how?
necessary for you to have a coding background, but
Okay,
20% of code is there into Marketing Cloud, to be honest,
okay.
and you have to do that. And I would suggest it is the best platform for you if you're from a non-IT background,
Mm-hmm.
because it has less coding capabilities and will allow you to have access to martech consulting, a very niche type of consulting nowadays
Okay.
practiced into IT. If you are
Mm-hmm.
a fresher, if you want to make a career, then it is
Yes.
good to learn 20% of code and make your career for next 10-15 years, rather than think that you cannot learn and do not learn this platform.
Mm-hmm. So this course will also cover the coding.
Yeah, everything will be covered, which will help
Mm-hmm.
you to clear all the three certification exams:
Okay.
Marketing Cloud Developer, Marketing Cloud Consultant, and Marketing
Mm-hmm.
Cloud Admin, and Marketing Cloud Email Specialist. Sorry, four examinations.
Four certification.
Yeah,
Okay.
as well
So
as it will
yeah.
help you to clear all the interviews.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever, I will give you 100 questions, none of the question will be asked from that 100 question. Just you have to be dedicated with me for next 1-2 months and
Mm-hmm.
study whatever I am telling. Definitely you will get a job and you will be thankful after you have learned this consulting platform.
Yeah. Yeah. Same. I hope the same from you.
Yeah, but you have to be dedicated for next two
Yes.
three
Yes.
months.
Okay. Okay. So, sir, like, how long this is, a 1 month course, or it's
It is more than a month,
mhm.
around 1 month, around 5 to 6 weeks it will take.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm.
because four certification syllabus I have to cover. See, guys, everything. This is the detailed training you can get on this platform.
Okay.
Do not
Mm-hmm.
think that this is only used to send email, SMS. Communications you
Mm-hmm.
will be doing by email, SMS. But what type of communication? Let me
Mm.
show you the type of communication. Sending email, SMS is very easy. That is not the goal of this platform. The goal of this platform is to design dynamic capabilities on your email and SMS. If you
Mm.
look here, I will show you an example. If you go here into this demo folder, you see this coin switch Kuber. Okay.
Okay.
This is the email I am getting. Every day I am getting this email. Every day the performance of Bitcoins are
Mm.
changing here,
Getting. Yes. Yes.
right? This is
Mm.
not at all, guys, designing a static email, writing and sending.
Ah.
This is changing. This is data driven. You have to design emails based on the data available. Data
Okay.
will change every day.
Every day.
The content should also be changed. A
Yes.
lot of
Of
things are
maybe
there.
new. Yeah. Maybe new offers coming in
Yeah,
another week
a
or
lot
something.
of things. Yeah, this is entire technology, not digital marketing.
Mm. Okay.
Digital
Okay.
marketing you will only do to acquire new customer.
Mm.
Okay, you acquire new customer. but you already are a customer of Amazon, then they have to work on customer retention, customer sustainability, customer relationship.
Okay, okay.
That is the concept of data driven marketing. Digital marketing, running ad, doing SEO to only get new customer, that's all. But once you get a customer, once you sign up on Amazon, the purpose of digital marketing is solved. He is able to make you sign up. What after I signed up on Amazon in 2012, till now they are maintaining relationship with me. So that is the major goal of marketing automation.
So, sir, this you will give training for qualifying these certifications. So, these certifications will we have to take from the Salesforce?
Salesforce global certification. Do not
Okay.
go and do any other. None
Okay.
of the coaching certification would be benefited for you.
Mhm.
Only Salesforce original certification will give you coupon as well, $40 off.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah.
So certification is mandatory, or without certification, can I apply any job or after this course?
It's not mandatory, but it's good to have. It will make you stand, I should say, ahead in the queue for because that is something which certifies that you have that knowledge, right? By
Okay.
Salesforce.
Okay. And all of the 4 certification are yes, or
So
we have
only one for getting job, only one. Guys,
one.
focus on interview, I would say.
Okay, 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 okay.
Focus on whatever things is required to get the first job. If you do not do that job already, focus on interview. One certification I would suggest you to spend, you to go through. I will help you on that certification and understand how to work on marketing cloud. But the preparation should be focused more on interview rather than implementation of this platform. I will definitely help you to get each and every knowledge of this platform. But guys, on this platform, people make 10-15 years of career. You cannot get everything into 1 or 1.5 months. You will be getting, but you will not be experiencing practically with practical approaches, right? Implementation scenarios. In 1 to 1.5 months, the course will be covered. Few practical examples will be covered, but in your career, you will get in-depth knowledge. So it is important for you to first clear the interview with whatever is required.
Okay.
And sir, like I'm having another 15-year experience.
Another 15-year experience.
Another means sorry, totally 15-year experience I have. So is it the right time to enter into the SFMC?
What is your role?
Basically, I am into the supply chain and the manufacturing domain, non-IT background.
Yeah, definitely you can enter, but you would be seeking a managerial position, I guess, or I
Yes,
should
yes.
say a higher position like senior consultant. So
Yeah,
definitely
yeah.
you can, but you will have to get a lot of knowledge on this.
Okay, okay. So by this course, will I come to that platform, like doing this course and doing the proper background work?
Yeah, definitely, definitely. You will have to work towards knowledge gaining and
Okay.
start giving interviews. Give 5 6 interviews, you will come to know what kind of questions they will ask you for the role you are expecting. Definitely you will be able to do, but a bit more effort
So
is required. Yeah,
I will
Hey,
be seeking your support.
definitely. I have people like you who have already 15 years of experience, who are also trying to search job into this space. They are my student. I will make you meet to them as well. You both can have a
Yeah,
defined, you both can have a common strategy.
yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Hey, there is one more tool for the Paradox, right?
Pardot is
that.
B2B. Yeah, it is
So
B2C.
that is also is a part of this marketing cloud, or is it separate to?
Pardot is only marketing cloud, name is changed, but that is designed for B2B, business to business type of scenario. Marketing cloud
Okay.
is B2C, business to consumer. When you come with B2C, B2C is
Mhm.
huge. There are a lot of customers,
Right.
150 billion customers only in India. But when it is B2B, then it was business to business. Only few businesses are there. Not only
Right.
few, like 10 lakh, 15 lakh, or 1 crore, 2 crore businesses are there. So use case of both platforms are different, but concepts are same, guys. That is also one. If you learn marketing cloud, then you can work on any other marketing automation, market consulting platform like Adobe has, Marketo has. But the best is to get into Salesforce ecosystem, learn this platform. With this platform, you will not only get marketing automation knowledge, but you will get access to Salesforce ecosystem. Other platforms are also integrated with this platform of Salesforce, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Commerce Cloud. You will be able to work on them as well.
Okay. So this is also built on Salesforce .com platform, or is any database?
Salesforce.com, yeah, this is built by Salesforce.com, but it is not built on Salesforce platform. It is a different platform,
Mhm.
but it integrates with Salesforce.
Yeah. Okay. So what is the database behind this one?
Our database behind this, one MongoDB was there, but I'm
Mhm.
not sure what all for different I should say functionalities, they have a different database. There is no single database here at the back end. Like for reporting capabilities, the best capability provided for reporting is MongoDB. There are other databases, servers like AW, it is hosted on AWS, but I'm not sure what all databases are getting used because that is something non-disclosable by Salesforce. That is something backend of this platform.
Okay. What are the skill set required for this one? Just a normal basic prerequisite or something.
Prerequisite is nothing, guys. But if you are
Mhm.
focusing on development part of this platform, then HTML, CSS, JavaScript, AMP script I will be teaching, but HTML, CSS, and SQL, at least basics you should know.
Okay.
Basics.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, SQL, HTML, and CSS. So now programming language, I didn't know that. Then how can I?
Sorry.
HTML, this one I didn't know basics or nothing because I am also from non-IT background actually.
Yeah, don't worry. See, you do not have to be necessarily a developer on this platform. There are four roles: email specialist, consultant, developer, and admin. Focus on admin part if you do not know that development. When you start working on this platform in 1 2 years, you will be able to do development as well. But do not get burdened, or I should say demotivated, if you don't know that. But definitely I want to be transparent. There is 20% code required. If not now, you will have to do in future, right? Definitely at that time you will require HTML, CSS knowledge, but that you can get easily from W3 school. If you are willing to work hard and you are willing to get a nice pay package after some days, like you join first, I should say, company, get hands-on experience, then go and join the second company for money. Then you have to go through HTML, CSS. You will see around 40 50 functions are there here. It will not take more than 1 week of your time. You have this best platform, W3 school. Go and practice everything. This is not a programming language, guys. HTML is very easy.
Okay.
Programming language is like Java, which has object-oriented concept. So HTML, CSS is not programming. These are designing language.
Okay. Sir, are you giving any dumb project for dumb projects?
3 projects we will be building here into our course.
Okay. Because
Yeah.
without project, we can't able to didn't know that how the company will be doing inside.
Yeah. So from day one, we will be starting with a scenario.
Okay. And also, I have one doubt, sir. For example, while comparing with the Salesforce, we have any other Salesforce admin, and I have two knowledges only in my Salesforce admin and developer. This is a new platform like a Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Without these courses, we can be able to study Salesforce Marketing Cloud.
Salesforce, yeah, it is. Salesforce admin is not required,
Okay.
but it is good if you have that knowledge.
And
See, guys,
also,
if you are a fresher,
mm,
right? I don't know if you are a fresher or not, or fresher into this field also. Like you must be having experience, but not experience in this. Then, to be honest, I will say you that first thing, basics of Salesforce admin. Only basic, trailhead. Okay. Second thing, complete SFMC from me. These 2 things, SFMC from me, whatever I will teach, and 3 things, only basic of HTML, SQL. If you do these 3 things, then definitely nobody is going to stop you to get a job. HTML basic is this much, guys, starting from home to here. To here.
Attributes.
Yeah. Only like 20, 25 or maximum 30. Okay. This every day you will be able to practice 2 or 3 things. Each page is having how much content you will go and see. Each page is having 1 or 2 example, very small. In one day you will be able to cover at least 5 pages, right? 1 week for HTML, then go to CSS. CSS is even smaller than HTML. Only basic I am telling. Basic is the first CSS tutorial from here to here. This math function. And basic of SQL, it is even more small. See here, from here home to, just understand how to write the syntax. Give 2, 3, 4 examples. Do not go on advanced level, because you do not have to become advanced SQL developer or CSS developer, HTML developer. You want to become marketing cloud developer. So just understand basic of HTML, CSS, SQL. If you dedicatedly spend 2 to 3 weeks, you will be able to get. Because if you want to make your career for next 10, 15 years earn nice, do not get into tension that you have to learn any other thing for nice earning. That type of tension you want to remove permanently, then get these basics done, because this is IT. These all things are expected for you to know, but it is not a prerequisite still to learn marketing cloud, guys. But you will be earning more if you have these clear concepts. So if you are a fresher willing to spend 1 month on this, do spend this. It is an honest suggestion. Whether you are from IT background, whether you are not from IT background, that doesn't matter. The matter is how, if you can learn these things by your own. You have ample of YouTube videos, you have Udemy courses, go buy that, see the video, practice. 1 month only is required to. But if you get these 3 things fixed, definitely you will be able to land a job. Admin from Trailhead, it won't take more than 1 week for you. Complete SFMC 1.5 months, and basic of HTML, CSS. It will only take 10 days, but I am taking 30 days. So in 3 months, you will be able to complete all these things. You will get a job. Then focus only on interviews. Give 10 interview, 15 interview, 16th interview, definitely you will get the job.
Okay, so okay. And, okay, sir, and also one more doubt will be there. And sir, in right now, the Salesforce admin and developer have highest package. If I am choosing the marketing cloud, what is the benefit?
If you're choosing marketing cloud, what is the
Yeah,
benefit?
because actually some of the friends who is working in a developer in Deloitte, my friends actually.
See,
So
both are different career path. Either
they
you
have to
go and
earning,
learn Salesforce development.
they have to earning more than 17 or 18 package, 18 lakhs package per year actually. 3 to
You
4
will
year
also
experience.
get. I don't know Salesforce development. I teach 40 people a month. I also do a job, nice job. I
Because
don't
it's
know Salesforce development, to be honest.
yes, sir. Actually, this is like a very difficult also to learn developer because coding and everything will be there.
Yeah,
But while comparing with the marketing cloud is very easy. But how will be the
it is
company
not
can
easy.
not easy by
Just
comparing with
do
the
not see
development?
that here is SMS email you have to send. Here also code is required. How you will create this email? This is data driven email. There is a code working behind this. But that concept of code is not as vast as Salesforce developer. So guys, you will be earning parallel to Salesforce developer with their 50 to 60% of knowledge. If developer requires 100% of knowledge to become Salesforce developer, it requires 100% of knowledge. Then to become marketing cloud developer, it will require only 50% of knowledge. But you will not earn a single rupee less than them. If they are earning 18-20, you will also get 18-20.
Yeah, that's the shocking thing. I have to first of all seen from my friend's side because they have working is very different pattern from marketing cloud and the coding and everything. They have to learn at least 4 to 5 months. They have to effort on that for studying that developer side. Like a marketing cloud, while comparing with the marketing cloud, it's very easy. Marketing cloud is some easy topics we have to understand, and the coding is less only. But the company can be giving huge package. Then why have like people are going into the developer side because it's how much time will be taking. Then they have to shift it to the marketing cloud, and they have to, as per my choice only. It's not a genuine or right or wrong. I don't know about that. First of all, while entering into the Salesforce, I think that our admin or developer will be to learn. But Salesforce marketing cloud topic will be arriving on that. I am switching from mind that the admin or developer, it will be taking a lot of time. So switching to marketing cloud. So package wise, it's very highly packaged. Developer and admin can be earning. The same package will be getting in the marketing cloud also. So that's why I'm shocking that. So
Yeah,
no.
lack of knowledge, lack of guidance. But guys, it depends, right? Whatever opportunity people get, they will work there. But package wise, marketing cloud is not a single rupee less than Salesforce.
Yeah, very good package you are providing.
Yeah, you can earn minimum 4 into number of years you have. So you have 5 years, you can get 20 lakh in marketing cloud. The same thing you will get in Salesforce. But in
Developer.
Salesforce, you will have 50 people for one position. In marketing cloud, you will have only 15 people. This is the right time you can get a job. In
Yes,
this,
sir.
people, because I
Actually,
Like
myself,
sir, actually, sir, I
one
am a
thing,
oh, sorry.
hello.
yes.
Yeah, even I am also a developer, but Salesforce developer. But now what happened now? The Salesforce is integrated into
Yeah.
multiple apps like Velocity, like LWC. So everyone needs to learn that first of all to get a developer job.
Marketing cloud is also
Uh-huh.
integrated.
Yes, and marketing cloud is also integrated, but right now the marketing cloud is booming. just due to this email and the email studio and again some new applications are going to be integrated
Datorama
into.
interaction.
Yes.
Marketing cloud is a different ecosystem, guys. It's an entirely different domain.
So don't compare with developers and marketing cloud. It's totally different thing.
But guys,
Datorama.
in terms of pay package, you will be earning same.
Okay, thanks. Okay.
Harshit, sir,
Yes.
in the market, some news are coming like the recession is coming and it is at the gate of the this year. So, will it impact the SFMC scope or the career further?
What is coming? Sorry.
Hello,
Yeah. What?
hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, actually, I am hearing like a recession
The recession is only
upcoming
coming for
in.
marketing cloud. It is coming for all technologies.
Okay.
This you cannot predict, guys. If something will happen in future, you cannot like what I should say here. This is not a good question. Recession will come for everybody,
Mhm.
but you have to earn your bread and butter, right? For that, you should not stop your learning.
Yeah.
Recession will come and go. What will stay is the knowledge.
Sir, and I have like for 5 to 6 year career gap will be there. After my completing my education, I just done some family businesses and everything. So now only I just thinking about like switching to IT segment. Also, I am a certified in SAP, but I think SAP certified in SAP sales and distribution module. I had like more than 82 in globally certified, 89% score will there. But I am attending on the interview due to the career break. They have to making some barrier to enter the company. So that's why I'm switching to the Salesforce. And how can I rectify that career and career gap? So 5 to 6, I think.
How much experience you had before that?
No experience, sir. Actually, 2014 is I am an MBA graduate with marketing and HR is my specialization, and 2016 onwards to still I am doing some family businesses and everything. And now I just want to thinking to enter into the IT segment. That's the thing.
Yeah. So you can start looking for job as a fresher, but it would be good if you have a fake experience of 1 year.
Mm.
You can connect with me. I
Mm.
don't provide, but
Mm.
I have few contact which I give people,
Mm.
and they provide that experience. They will take only 12-13,000 from you.
Okay, and also one worry question is that like if I am putting like a fake experience like 1 or 2 year in the marketing cloud or any other domain.
No, marketing cloud.
So how can we enter the company and after that they have to expecting based on my experience, how can I surveying part is
I will support you. Don't worry.
okay, thank you, sir. That's the only thing because if I am putting like a 2 or 3 year, the company can be expecting from me as per the experience way. So I have to give some output on that way. So as a fresher, I know only I am a fresher. So because I am one of my friend is already working in the cab Germany. He can be putting the 2 or 1.5 or 2 year experience in the other domain, SAP. But after 3 months, he will be terminated because while the client call will be coming, he not able to respond it actually.
No, so that is why you have come here to learn marketing cloud, right?
Yeah.
So learn for 3 months by heart. See, hard work is required for
Yeah, that's I
profit.
know, sir.
Nobody
That
is
part
going
I
to give you 20 lakh without knowledge.
yeah, sir. That's I know that. Actually, he's like Capgemini, like 10.5 is his package, and 3 year or 2.5 year experience he can be putting. Also, he's a globally certified. While entering on the company, 1 month will be the bench. I think benchmark or I didn't know the exact thing actually. After that, the clients will be daily 1 or 2 clients will be calling. On that time, he know the scenarios, but they have to asking about the experience level of questions. He can't able to reply. Then the third month, HR will be directly called to him and tell that it's not good to continue that way. You have to terminate on the next month this date. This is the we can't able to reply to any of them.
No issues. You take knowledge first, then go to companies.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
This is Navya. I am also from non-IT background. Currently, I'm working as a validation engineer. So I'm calling from Boston. As you suggested, that learning HTML, SQL, and CSS are very helpful. I have a question, sir. So, do you have any connections or anyone in USA who can help us in the job marketing after learning the course?
Yes,
Could they?
definitely. I have around 5, 6 people from US. They are Indian but settled there or are doing job. So you can connect with them and get their experience, how they have searched. Basically, you will get to know how to schedule your interviews, how to start giving interviews. They will guide you what all are the agencies there who will help you to schedule interviews.
Yeah, because my main concern is I did my master's in healthcare informatics, which is like it doesn't have any coding, but it has a healthcare and IT related field. So in US, as everybody know, like based on our master's degree, we have to do our jobs. So it will be helpful if you know any consulting company or someone who can help me regarding the visa process and helping me to find a job to sustain my visa and go with the flow. So I
So you
need that
are
help.
going to migrate or you have already migrated there?
I'm going to I'm currently working as validation engineer, which is like pharmaceutical company. So I'm on H1B visa right now.
You have
So I'm
H1B,
looking.
right? So, okay, I
Yep.
will give you contacts. They will help you find the job.
Okay. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I am also planning to migrate to Australia or Canada actually.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe after doing this course, maybe I am stuck stuck in 1 year. After that only, because then only I just moved to. Okay, and sir,
Yeah, in
actually,
Australia, Canada, you have a lot of openings.
mm,
Basically, what I came to know in Australia, there is a shortage of marketing cloud resources.
yeah, IT profession is a very, very good demand. Like I don't know about the Salesforce marketing cloud on that platform. And also, sir, 2014 is my pass out year. How can how many or 2 or 3 years is mandatory enough for the filling of this gap?
2 year is fine, even 1 year is fine, but you can be safe side.
But the remaining 2015 to, if I'm putting like a 2019 to 21, 2 year, then the remaining gap, is it have any problem?
No, no, just nobody will ask you when you have started your career.
Okay,
They
because
will
I'm
ask
struggled,
you
sir.
when you
I am
started, was there any gap?
actually I am also very, very struggled actually after getting the
Mm,
SAP certification and entering the Capgemini company. The same
mm.
company I have to enter from my friend's reference. Everything will be good after getting the final offer letter. Before that time, they have to telling their HR call and they tell me that submit the documents. On that time, I have my basic documents and everything I have to given. Only except the experience certificate, then they have to reject it. That's the thing I have to thinking about that. Only that thing.
Don't worry, you just learn this platform
Mm.
and connect with me. I will help you to create your resume, everything.
Mm.
Go with the knowledge, you will definitely be able to sustain.
And we have to upload our resume by Naukri, Monster, that type of. Otherwise, we have to have any connections with your any other colleagues like in marketing cloud for the placement assistance.
Connection, like I will get you referred to 5, 6 companies, direct referral, like
Okay, direct
IBM,
referral. Okay, okay, okay,
Library, IBM, Infosys, Accenture.
okay, okay,
But
okay.
interviews you have to clear.
Okay, that part I will do, sir. Okay, you have a direct relationship. If I am putting in the Naukri, it will taking a lot of time, sir. Calls will be coming so many after so lagging will be there.
Sir, I think it's very good. Like you are supporting in getting the jobs and even for further development.
Thanks. Yeah, this is my work. People come as a student, but later I'll support them in interviews. Basically, I have a way where you will be able to clear your interviews also, that you will come to know later how I
Okay.
can help you to become a proxy and clear your interviews.
Mhm.
That is a secondary thing, but first you have to get some knowledge, because even if I help you clear
Yes.
interview, you will not be able to sustain
Okay.
inside the job.
Yeah, sustenance is the
Yeah.
the objective we should have.
Yeah, after you clear the interview, then you have a job support. See, everything is available. You show the right intent, you will be able to do this.
Okay,
Many
so that's
people
the
are
only
doing.
thing I am joining in this institution, because none of them can be getting this much of support. Not only some of, actually, I have one more institution. They have to providing only the marketing cloud course, but remaining part, placement assistance, support wise, reference, no one, nothing will be getting actually.
No, we will provide everything.
Yeah, thank
Here,
you.
see, please connect with svtechsoft.
Sure, sir. I am also very happy to attend this demo and also interested to, because sir, our timings will be how can sir?
Time
Hey,
is 7 to 8.
when you are going to start the session, the classes?
Coming Monday.
Okay,
Timing,
coming Monday, sir.
time, sir?
Time will be morning time, the same time.
7.
7:30, whatever
7:30
majority
is
people
okay,
like.
sir. 7:30 is okay for me. Sir.
Yeah.
7:30 to 8:30 or 9 o'clock. One and a half.
No, 7:30 to 8:30.
Okay.
Sir, any batch which is going to start in evening?
Evening, we have just started a batch. You can join there.
Okay, just means how many days before?
Only 3-4 classes are covered.
Okay, okay.
You
So
can
what
get
is the
the
timing
recording.
in evening?
8:30, 9:30.
Okay, 8:30 to 9.
You can join evening batch, then again you can rejoin the next batch. You can keep on joining the batch and working with us guys till the time you
Okay.
don't get the job. Don't worry, but just be in touch. If you pay money, you should come to the class and you should learn everything.
The recordings and everything will be getting after this class. Is it, sir? Every day.
Every day you will be getting, or we have a system which will record every time and will send to you.
And also starting from the dump project, also from the day one itself.
Yeah, dumb project also.
Okay. How many projects you are giving, sir?
3, 2
3.
small and 1 big.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. And you are the trainer, Anna, sir, for marketing cloud?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that will be more helpful.
Hello, sir. Last question. I'm sorry, I don't know I could ask this question here or not, but I have a question. Do you provide only this course, or do you have any other courses as well regarding Salesforce healthcare? Or I'm just new to this IT, so I'm just asking, like,
Yeah, so
do
I
you have any
only
other?
teach marketing cloud, but the institute has different courses. You can inquire with them.
Okay, perfect.
Everybody
Thank you.
will have one specialization.
Mhm.
So health cloud or other cloud, if you want to study, then connect with them.
Thank you.
So coming Monday we are going to start, sir, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Or if you want to start later, then let us know so that we can plan accordingly.
No, I think it's okay. Even before that also we can start.
Sir, Wednesday, possible, sir. Wednesday, can you reschedule to Wednesday, Monday?
Yeah, definitely. You can tell this to institute. They will schedule whenever everybody is available. We'll start from them.
Okay. And sir, in weekly, how many days, sir?
5.
Like a Monday to Friday.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we will get the 3 months instance, right? For practicing.
Yeah, the same instance you will get.
How many months? Is 2 months or 3 months?
I think they provide for 2 months, but you can get it extended when you have your interviews.
Okay.
You are giving all the access and everything, sir?
Yeah, everything. Complete package.
Okay, okay.
Access you will get, marketing cloud recorded videos you will get. You connect with me, I will help you create resume. Within 15 days, you should be able to create resume and
Hmm.
post it. Get 100 interview questions from me.
Okay.
And project I will be telling you. Interview preparation we will do. If you want to have an interview proxy, let me know.
Hmm.
And then further, if you get a job, if you need support, then you can reach the institution for
Sir,
the.
as per my case, support is mandatory, sir.
Yeah, but first study and see if you are
Yeah,
able
that
to.
part I will be do, sir. Interview and everything from my side, I will be do for my best. And support because I had like 2 or 3 year experience, I will be putting. So support is from my side. Support I am expecting you.
Okay. Any other questions, guys?
No, sir. For
All done, sir.
access, sir, for accessing like new user in the marketing, how much will be the payment, sir, for access marketing cloud?
Marketing cloud, it will be a lot, around 3 to 4 lakh a month.
No, no, no. I'm telling that like some of the patients tell me like 4,000 and 5,000 for getting the marketing cloud access for learning and platform.
No, it is included into the training cost.
Okay, okay, okay.
So guys, do join the class. If you are a fresher, this is nice opportunity for you. If you are planning to have your career in IT, this would be the best platform, because no other platform will have this much of pay package. Even though if you have other people saying that learn this, learn that, everything depends on money and how well you can earn. So this is the platform which will give you access to Salesforce ecosystem. In future, not only you will be limited to marketing cloud, but there will be other technologies within the Salesforce ecosystem. You will be getting practical knowledge, and with every other knowledge apart from marketing cloud you get, you can have 2 to 3 lakhs increased in your pay package. So guys, do not worry about this platform, this technology. If you have learned, if you have like a brief understanding of what this is, what are you going to do on this, please do join and learn everything, because no other technology will provide you this much of growth. You will be seeing people who are earning close to 8 9 lakhs. They only have 2 years of experience on marketing cloud. But if you delay, then you will have the same competition like Salesforce development, where for one job there are 50 candidates. For now in marketing cloud, one job there are 15 candidates. That is why it is they are giving you a lot of pay package. And to be honest, marketing is need of everybody, whether it is small business or big business. Every business are obtaining marketing automation for their companies. So do not think twice and just join this session if you want to make a career in marketing automation. And do not think if you do not know coding and everything, just start working with us for next 3 6 months. Keep in touch, you will be able to get everything clearly. You can have revised sessions, you can contact me and ask me to explain any topic, you can have personal session, everything. Get work with us till the time you don't get a job. Thanks, guys. Institute will meet you, will connect with you, and I hope they have also provided you a regular batch link here. Please do copy this. Thanks, guys. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.